Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery. Dear students, today we are going to learn a new shape. Are you ready? Look at the page number 6. This shape is called a pentagon. Say with me, pentagon. Again, pentagon. Very good. A pentagon has 5 sides. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow! 5 sides. A pentagon also has 5 corners. Count the corners with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Activity number 1. Pick the relevant pictures. Look at these pictures. Which picture is the pentagon? Yes, this one with 5 sides. Tick the pentagon pictures. Dear students, अब देखते हैं अपनी activity number 2. Circle the pentagon shape from the given pictures. So students, look carefully at all the pictures below. Some are round, some are not. Find the picture with 5 sides. Yes, the clock shape is a pentagon. So circle the pentagon shape. These students, many things around us have a pentagon shapes, like a pentagon, one clock. Dear students, today we learned the pentagon shape. It has 5 sides and 5 corners. You did a great job today. Bye bye. See you next.